Modifying the schedule. In this tutorial, you will learn how to modify the program schedule. To begin modifying the schedule, press and hold the button marked Program until the To Modify, To Continue, and To Exit icons appear on the screen. Press the button marked Day until the day that you wish to modify appears along the top of the screen. Press the button marked Program until the set point that you wish to modify appears on the screen. Press the up or down buttons to modify the time. Once you've reached the desired time, press the Mode button to continue. You will now notice the temperature is flashing. Press the up or down buttons to modify the floor temperature. Once you've reached the desired temperature, press the Mode button to continue. Press the Return button to exit the programming. You have now successfully modified the schedule and temperature settings for that chosen day.